Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Lovely balloons, they made such a lovely fuss. Look at the 99, I think they're gorgeous. I didn't expect all that, I'm honest.
She's very charismatic, an extremely larger than life character and an inspiration at the age of 99. And she'd jump over my head without any question. If I probably asked her to do it, she probably would.
I don't think I've come across any other 99-year-old who comes and participates in an exercise class, and it's just a day of celebration really, of not just only Kath and her birthday, but the fact that she's achieved so much in so little time.